Hello everybody, this is Rolls with Winterbrose. In this video segment for pulse mode blending, we're going to show you how to view objects in the viewport within Blender. As you can see, we're running Blender 2.83.4, so we'll go ahead and get rid of this cube because we don't need it. We want to have something that'll be a little more easy to see the differences from the different angles inside. So we'll just go ahead and put the monkey head in here. First thing we'll discuss is the scroll mouse, 3-button scroll mouse. On the 3-button scroll mouse, the left mouse button will be select if you set it up in the default settings when you installed Blender originally. The middle mouse button, if you roll the scroll button, it'll zoom in and out of the scene. If you press the scroll button, you should be able to, and hold it, you should be able to rotate around the scene. And then of course the right mouse button will bring up a pop-up menu with some options applicable to what's selected or what's going on within Blender. So we'll go ahead and go. So we're back in Blender here. We'll unselect the head. So we're going to click on the monkey head, and you'll see that it is selected when you left click with the mouse. We're going to go ahead and use the scroll button in the middle. And you can see we're zooming in and out. And of course, if we click the middle button, scroll button, you can see we can rotate around the object that's currently selected in the middle of the viewport. And then again, of course, the left mouse button brings up, the right mouse button brings up this pop-up menu, which is, like I said, relative to whatever you have going on inside the viewport in Blender. And the last thing we want to cover is how some of the different views you can get by using the numeric keypad on your keyboard. If you have a laptop, you might have to use the function key to get to the numeric keypad portion. But here's the controls. Basically, key 5, number 5, will change between orthographic and perspective views. If you're not sure what that is yet, that's fine. You can just skip that. You want to see an object from the top view, you hit 7. If you want to see the bottom, use Control 7. And you'll notice the control is opposite of whatever the main is for the number. Hit 1 to go to front, Control 1 to go back. Of course, you hit 3 to go to the left side, and hit Control 3 to go to the right side. So we'll go ahead and show you those in Blender, show you how those work. So here we are starting back in Blender. So we're going to zoom in a little bit more on the head here. So of course we'll start with the 1 key. Of course, now when you hit the 1 key, of course you can see you go to the front. And of course then we'll hit the Control 1, and it shows us the back of the head. We'll hit the 3 key, shows the left side of the object, and the Control 3 will show the right side. And of course, if we want to see the top, we hit 7, or we want to see the bottom, Control 7. There's many different ways to view things inside Blender. 2 other ones right here is this, the zoom button is right here. You can just click and hold it with your left mouse button. This is just in case you don't have a 3-button scroll mouse. You can see here we can zoom in and out by just moving our mouse back and forward. And of course, here's the pan. We can click it, and we can pan around the scene with our left mouse button. And lastly, if you don't have a 3-button scroll mouse, you can click the center up here of this and hold, and you can see you can rotate around the object that way too. We hope you enjoyed this video segment, and have a great day.